In today's video, I will walk you through how to transfer funds between BingX accounts. If you need to move your crypto between different accounts on BingX, such as from your funding account to your spot account, the process only takes a few clicks. Once you're signed in, move your mouse over Assets in the top navigation bar, then click Total Assets. This will take you to your account overview, where you can see the balances across all of your BingX accounts. On the Overview page, click the Transfer button. A transfer window will appear. First, choose the account you want to transfer funds from, then select the account you want to transfer funds to. For example, if you're planning to trade on the spot market, you may need to transfer your funds from your funding account to your spot account. BingX requires assets to be in your spot account before you can use them for spot trading. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. If you have multiple assets, choose the one you want to move. Then, enter the amount you wish to transfer. You can manually type the amount or use the max option if you want to move your entire available balance. Before confirming, take a moment to review all of the transfer details. Make sure the source account, destination account, selected cryptocurrency, and transfer amount are all correct. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to complete the transfer. Since this is an internal transfer within your BingX account, the transaction is typically processed instantly, and your updated balance will appear in the destination account right away. If you're preparing to place a spot trade and your available balance shows zero, check whether your funds are still in your funding account. If they are, simply transfer them to your spot account before placing your order. And that's how to transfer funds between BingX accounts.